Hello, welcome to another talk on money, business, and investing. My name is Jose. I'm the founder of the company here at Master Investor. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you're watching this right now, hit the links in the description of this video to access our digital courses and products to help you understand how to build wealth. We have 3 ebooks right now: the 10 New Rules of Money, how to invest in crypto to build wealth, and how to build cash flow with the internet, turn passive income on. We're working on our 4th ebook. It should be released in the next month. Stay tuned. We have a lot more products coming out to help us build our asset column. Here at Master Investor, our mission is to elevate the financial well-being of humanity through high-quality financial education made simple, with lucrative opportunities to build passive income and true wealth. It's all about the circle of people that we have around us. It is all about networking. It's about expanding. It's about growing. It's not about saving money. It's not about shrinking. It's not about being frugal when it comes to building wealth. It's actually the very opposite. As a master investor, we have to understand how to spend money wisely all the time. We have to understand how to acquire assets that cash flow positively, because if an asset is mismanaged, it can turn into a liability very quickly. So we have to ensure that we are acquiring real assets that are producing passive income into our pockets. And of course, we are reinvesting that passive income into more assets so that we can have more cash flow come into our lives from different source of income, from different types of assets that are producing passive income specifically. Rule number 1 in our community is that we work to build passive income and make money work hard through sound investing. We multiply money, right? And it takes financial education to be able to do that. A lot of people lack financial education. They lack financial education, and therefore they tend to give their money away to somebody else to invest it for them. And a lot of times they end up losing the money because the people that are investing the money for them are salespeople. They're not real financial investors. They are making money through commissions instead of passive income. So be careful who you listen to. Do your due diligence and take a class on whatever area of investing you want to grow into. There are 5 asset classes that exist. We have business, real estate, crypto, paper assets, and commodities. They all require financial education. If you'd like to learn more about each of these asset classes, go to our website, click the link in the description, subscribe to this channel, and start reading our newsletter. If you'd like to have access to it, go to our website and subscribe now. It's free of charge, and you will have articles via email sent to you so that you have access to the right information when it comes to building wealth. It's all about the context, not just the content that we operate with. We have to have the right context when it comes to building wealth. The ultra context, the mindset, the framework of the ultra wealthy. So we are laying out exactly the patterns of the ultra wealthy here inside of our community so that we all take advantage and we understand how to build true wealth. So when we're building our brand, we have to ensure that we are adding intrinsic value and business integrity. And that means that we have something that is protected through legalities because it's unique and it's something that no one else can do, because either it's a patent or it's a registered logo that we have, and we can back it with the right paperwork. That is having intrinsic value. That's when we turn a company into a real brand. We have to protect whatever we do that is unique so that no one else can steal it from us and they can take our entire business down, right? So we have to have the legalities from the beginning. When we start a small business, we have to treat it as a big business. And when we have a big business, we have to treat it as a small business so we don't miss any of the important points when it comes to maintaining a successful business, growing and thriving. And business integrity means that it needs to make a profit. So we're here to make a profit. We're here to create cash flow. We're here to get positive cash flow into our pockets by controlling assets that are producing that income for us on autopilot, okay? It's not an asset if it's not producing passive income for us on autopilot. It has to make money through systems, because an asset is a system of systems doing the same and telling for us even when we're sleeping. So a true asset doesn't require us to be present to make the money or to pay us the passive income, the return on investment. And we measure our return on investment with facts, not opinions. So know the difference between facts and opinions is critical when it comes to building wealth. If you enjoyed this talks on money, business, and investing, make sure you like the video. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Let me know what you think. Give us some feedback. And stay tuned, because we're here every single day giving you the good and bad news on money, the business principles that work in all economies. And if you want to change your life, change your environment, that's how we can start changing the outcome of our days, is by entering into a new environment. Who are we surrounding ourselves with? Who are we talking to on a daily basis? We are always one person away to change our lives. Did you know that? Think about this, one sentence away, one conversation away, but we have to go out there and network. We have to search for the right information. We have to do self-development. And in moments where we get tested, we have to control our emotions. We have to be in control over ourselves in any situation that comes our way and it presents itself in our vicinity. We're going to handle it just like a true master investor. We have to control our emotions. It's very important when we're building wealth, and we have to execute a plan of action that has a solution that is lucrative and is positive to us and everyone around us. So make sure that we're creating a win-win relationship with those in our team, and of course our partners and customers that we're building along the way. It's all about building rapport. People do business with us because they like, trust us, and know us. So how do we do that? Build rapport, provide value. Under promise, over deliver. We already know that customer service is key when it comes to building any type of business. Today, people want to have customer service on point. So when we build a business, we need to have an innovation department. We need to have a customer service dedicated department, so that we ensure that all of our clients are taken care of when it comes to any sorts of questions or anything that they may have question about. They can solve it immediately, and they can have that human feel when it comes to reaching out to customer service. A lot of times people do business with a company that's not doing so well on products, but they have better customer service, than the company that's doing better with products but yet lacks customer service. People want to have customer service on demand. So when we add that into our companies, into our brands, and we can do that through systems, right? We can have receptionists, and we can have virtual AI softwares that will answer our calls, that will delegate different points of the sales process, right? Because a client gets to our sales page, and now we got to take that client into the entire process so that we can close them on a sale. Whatever that they're looking for, we're going to present it to them very nicely so they can grab, go, and repeat again. And of course, we want to make sure that we leave it open for them to refer other people into our business, because we're doing such a great job with customer service and over delivering on the promise that we gave them. Bring you the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. I'll see you on the next video. Let me know if you like what you're hearing on our channel, and start investing today. It is the time to do it. You will thank me later. 5 different asset classes that we can choose from: business, real estate, crypto, paper assets, and commodities. They all require financial education, so take a look at our digital courses. They're all catered for each asset class, and I hope to see you inside of one of them. Stay extraordinary and wealthy. Bye for now.